Hello friends, welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today I will tell you that how can you create a Marksheet in Excel sheet. Therefore open an Excel file and now type here relevant information like roll number, name of student and subject. Okay, and total number, percentage and grade. Now of table and Marksheet numbers and increase the font size. Okay, now for example roll number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now name of the student are A B C D E F G H I and J, and number in math 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 55, 56, no, 30. Okay, and now total, then press alt and equal to key. As you can see, the range sum equal to sum range C3 to G3 means math to Hindi. Then enter, and total number is 154, and for do the same 1 to 10 and control D after selection, control D, and now percentage, then equal to average total number into 100 divide number of subject 1 2 3 4 5, and 100 number is full mark of each subject, then 500 is full mark, and enter. 30 32.8 is a percentage, and to show all of the student percentage, then select and Control D. As you can see that all student percentage 32, 45.2, 55.2, etc. Now grade. For grade, I'll have to apply here a formula equal to if average means percentage is greater than or equal to 60, then A grade. Otherwise, if average greater than or equal to 45, then B grade. Otherwise, if average greater than or equal to 30, then C grade, and otherwise fail. Okay, 3 times open, therefore I'll have to close 3 times and enter. Then this is 30.8, and grade value is if greater than or equal to 45, then B grade, and if greater than or equal to 30, then C grade. And this is 30.8, therefore grade is C. And now apply on all records, therefore Control D. Now you can see C grade, because this is 32%, means below 45 and equal to or above 30, and this is 45.2 B grade, because equal to or greater than 45, and this is A grade, equal, because percentage is 62.8%, and this is B and C, because percentage is as per grade, as per formula we have applied for grade. And this is the mark sheet.